so we decided to make something special. Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready to cook? Then let's do this. Okay, so the dish we're gonna make today is chicken and bacon with sun-dried tomatoes. Chicken and bacon. I love chicken and bacon. and we separate it into two so we can know which side is the cream sauce and which side is the chicken breast. 4 clove garlic minced 6-ounce sun-dried tomatoes and oil, salt for seasoning for the chicken, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use sunflower oil. And for the star ingredient for this dish is 2 pounds of chicken breast. And for the cream sauce, but before I do the cream and milk, there's one problem. I can't tell them both because they're both white. I'm sorry guys, but I will try. 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I almost said Parmesan. Sorry. 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes, and salt and pepper for a taste. And we also have 8 strips of bacon. They're cooked and crumbled. Yummy bacon. And that's it. Now it's cooking time, and as usual, I'll pass you to Mama.
Sprinkle with salt and then the paprika, each of the chicken breasts, and then lightly rub the paprika into each chicken breast slice. After which, put the oil, let it boil together with the sun-dried tomatoes. About 2-3 teaspoons of oil. You can use either sunflower oil or olive oil, or in this case I use the oil that the sun-dried tomatoes come with. So just let it boil for a few minutes. I'd say about 2 to 3 minutes, until the sun-dried tomatoes are a little bit, not really crispy, but brownish. Just let it simmer for a little bit more. And then after that, set it aside. Remove the sun-dried tomatoes and set it aside, because we're gonna use it later for as we make the sauce. Okay, then once you have removed all of the sun-dried tomatoes from the pan, it's time for us to fry the chicken. When frying the chicken, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Make sure you do not overcook it or over fry it, because that's what makes the meat or the chicken meat stiff. Just make sure that it's not dried enough after frying it. So just maybe 2 to 3 minutes for each side, and you're all good with the chicken. After 2 to 3 minutes, start flipping it to cook the opposite side. Okay, just flip it. And then let's cook all of our chicken. Flip again. Good. Now once the chicken breasts are cooked, we're gonna, take them off the pan and set them aside again. Because we'll have to now do or make our cream sauce. So for the cream sauce, just saute the garlic in the same oil that you use for frying the chicken. So put the garlic first, after which we add the chili flakes, pepper, and also the dried basil. It depends on you, your preference. You can add more chili flakes and more basil. I like the taste of basil, so I normally add more basil into it. So add back the sun-dried tomatoes, as you can see, and then put the milk, 1 cup of milk, and then right after that put 1 cup of the heavy cream. Just mix it all together in the pan and let it boil. I added some more ground black pepper. Mix it, and then now I add the parmesan. So 1 cup of parmesan. Add it and make sure to mix it so when it boils, it's completely diluted in the sauce, the cream and milk mixture. Again, for your preference, if you'd like more parmesan, then by all means add some more. Now we're adding the bacon. So the bacon, we pre-fried it. So, we remove the excess oil and then chop it into little bits or crumble. And then let it simmer. And then after a few minutes, we add back our fried chicken breasts. So it absorbs the cream sauce. So it's gonna end up very, very tasty after this. So make sure that, if not the whole chicken, at least a part of it is submerged in the sauce. Cover it. And while covered, let it simmer for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And you see how that sizzles, and you just can't smell it, but it smells really, really good. You can now serve it.
So guys, are you ready to dig in? Because our special dish is ready. And this is our chicken and bacon with sun-dried tomatoes. Hope you have a good dish with your family. Goodbye and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.